Hi everybody, this is Rolande Sumner, and I'm going to show you how to use the everyday facial wash. So first you want to make sure your hands are wet, and then you're going to put a dab of facial wash into your hand, and you're going to build up a little bit of a lather. Not a whole lot, just a dab. And you're going to massage it into your face. Like so. Don't get this in your eyes or in your nose or in your mouth. And then you rinse it off. And pat your face dry. Now, after you finish, you want to make sure that you use a good moisturizer. We use Vitality Day Serum for daytime use. It's fast absorbing and it penetrates your dry skin very quickly and leaves your skin nice and moist. In the evening, we use the Hydration Night Serum. It's a little bit more emollient, so it can stay in your skin all night long. And in the morning, your skin is baby soft. And then every day, twice a day, you use the Everyday Facial Cleanser. You use this first, and then you use the serum.